everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your Apex Legends game. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're inside the Apex Legends account and you'd like to log out of your account, then the process is quite easy. From the main homepage of Apex Legends, which looks like this, tap on the settings button at the bottom. Now, at the top of the screen, you'll be able to see a log out button. Give it a tap and tap on OK in the pop-up to log out of your current account. But remember that you must know your credential in order to get access back to your account. After tapping on OK, you'll be logged out right away from Apex Legends and you'll be able to see the main sign-in page for Apex Legends. If you ever want to log in back again, you can choose one of the account login options and get access back to your account again. That is how you can easily log out of Apex Legends using your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.